We're going to get into a topic that's critical to every business owner and entrepreneur these days: artificial intelligence, AI. It's often portrayed as a job killer, so it sounds really scary, like some unstoppable robot takeover. But there are some significant advantages as well for those willing to embrace it. And you have a significant weapon in your arsenal: a continuous improvement culture. We've seen AI come seemingly out of nowhere in a very short period of time. It's already automating tasks and analyzing data, and even making decisions faster than any human. But here's the thing with AI, at least right now: it thrives on consistency. That's where your secret weapon comes in. A culture that constantly seeks to improve itself. So now you might be wondering, well, what does that mean for my business? Let's break it down. A continuous improvement culture essentially means that your team is constantly asking key questions. Questions like, how can we do things better? Are there more efficient processes? Can we improve the customer experience? Can we create a better product? These are just a few examples. That constant questioning and tinkering keeps you agile, and that's critically important. It allows you to identify problems before they become roadblocks and to seize opportunities before your AI-powered competitors. Think of it like this: AI is a powerful race car, but so far it needs a skilled driver, and so much the better if that driver has some mechanical aptitude. A continuous improvement culture is that driver, constantly fine-tuning the engine, adjusting the course, and staying ahead of the pack. Now you might be saying to yourself, yes, my business clearly needs this kind of culture to thrive, but it sounds like a lot of work. How can I get this going for me? Well, here are a few tips. First, encourage experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things, even if they fail. Failure is a learning opportunity. And along with that, empower your employees. Give them the freedom and opportunity to explore new ideas. And make sure they have the resources necessary for that as well. Celebrate even the smallest wins. Any kind of recognition keeps the momentum going. And of course, embrace any kind of data you can capture. Track your progress and use that information to inform decisions. Now, if you're looking for a great training partner to help your company get on the path of continuous improvement, we know one. There's a great link to check out in the description below. And remember, AI really isn't the enemy. It's a powerful tool. But the real power lies in your people and their creative ability and their ability to adapt. So cultivate a culture of continuous improvement and watch your business thrive, not just survive, in the age of artificial intelligence. How does your business currently embrace continuous improvement? Have you had any challenges with artificial intelligence? Let me know in the comments. Let's get a conversation going.